Hello and welcome to another product review by AwesomeTube956. Today, the Anker and JBL go head to head in a Bluetooth speaker challenge. In the upcoming demonstrations, you will hear both speakers through the camera mic and the external mic, and we would like you to enjoy.
Everything we had, ready for whatever's flying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that.
Okay, let's go to we're connected to two devices. Let's see how this compares. Where is it?
Promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
In the demonstration, the Anker SoundCore speaker is different in sound quality from the JBL Flip3. Here are some screenshots of specs and the links below for you to get your own. Both speakers are similar in function but are different in build and quality of sound. The Anker has small speakers and a larger battery that makes this inexpensive option very attractive due to long operation. Although the sound is loud, clear, and operates longer than the JBL, there are kinks to be addressed. For example, to turn off and on, the user needs to press and hold the power button. Not a big deal, but also not preferred. The buttons are slow to respond and sometimes does not react to being pressed. The Bluetooth range is only about 50 feet line of sight. Last but not least, the Anker has no bass. If you are on a budget but would like a great first time Bluetooth speaker, the Anker is for you. It will only set you back $25. On the other hand, the JBL Flip3 will set you back $77 more or less depending on your source of purchase. In my time of using both devices, I found myself liking the JBL speaker more for the fact that the sound quality is better. You can expect bass, treble, and mids. The sound is full, clear, and loud. With normal use, I found myself recharging past the 10-hour operation specification. The buttons respond quickly. The JBL does everything the Anker does, but better. I choose JBL because for the price and quality, it is the best choice in my opinion. Other name brand speakers can set you back about $250, and I say no thanks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on our social media pages. We will see you on the next one.